Hey guys, thanks for tuning back in. So I wanted to come back on here with yet another silk press video. Now I want you guys to kind of see like the health of my hair, how it's been growing in, and just pretty much like how my hair has been overall before I go on my silk press hiatus. So I am starting off with washing out Olaplex number 3 and number 0 and number 3. I do have a video on how I use those. If you want to see it, I'll link it below. So I'm just washing that out of my hair, and then I'm going to go in with the number 4 shampoo. You can detox your hair before you do this step if you need it, but I'm just going to go right in with the shampoo and suds that up really good and I mainly focus on my scalp just to get all the dirt and stuff off my scalp, and then I let the shampoo run down my hair and thoroughly cleanse it. After my hair is thoroughly cleansed, I'm going to go with the Olaplex 4-in-1 Moisture Mask. Now, this is only available for licensed cosmetologists. You can use number 8 if you are looking for something similar to this. So I'm going to massage that throughout my entire hair, focusing on my ends and just really making sure I get pretty much all of my hair. I'm going to give you guys 2 really big tips that I like to give my clients as well. Is leave the mask on for 20 to 30 minutes to make it more effective. You will notice that your curls will be a lot healthier if you do it that way. Also, if you feel like the mask is not hydrating enough, be sure to mix it in with one of your favorite deep conditioners and leave it on for, I say, about 20 to 30 minutes. No less, no more. It says you can do up to about 45 minutes, but the more you use it over time, you'll notice that your curls will be a lot healthier. So that is how I've been able to maintain my curl pattern as well. So now I'm going to go in with a Pravana leave-in. This is my favorite leave-in to use right before I heat style because it acts as a heat protectant as well. And I'm going to spray that throughout my hair just to get it, evenly distributed throughout my hair. And you guys seen me blow dry my hair. I like to stretch it out and kind of just get those root areas first, because that's the most important, because you don't want to go over your roots 3-4 times. So I like to stretch it out first, and then I like to go in with my comb attachment to get through the tangles. And then the other important step is use a dimming brush to get the hair straighter. Something else I like to do is blow dry my hair in a direction I want it to fall. So as you guys can see, I'm blow drying like towards my face because that's where I want it to fall. Another important tip is to, when you are done blow drying, finish blow drying your roots, because especially if you have kinky hair, that part still be a little damp sometimes. So make sure that you just go over your roots and make sure that they're fully dry. I'm going to go in with the Bio Silk Serum and the Nano Titanium Flat Iron on, I think it was on 400. So you always want to use a second layer of protection if you are using titanium flat iron. That will help you reduce getting heat damage by using that second layer of protection, because remember, titanium irons distribute heat differently and more aggressively than ceramic flat irons. And then, of course, we always only want to do one pass with a flat iron. You can always use a comb to do the chasing method to get the hair straight during that one pass. If you plan on straightening your hair, I would never recommend anyone do as many silk presses as I have, unless you are licensed or if you really just don't care about getting heat damage. But I always recommend you only do one pass and you never go up to 450. So I will always stay at 430 or below if you plan on silk pressing your hair or getting it, straightened a lot, or even just for your first time. It really doesn't matter if you have 4C hair or whatever. You should still try to just do one pass and never go above 430. Now I like to take my healthy hair growth oil and put that on any dry spots that I have in the front. After my hair naturally gets weighed down after about a week or so from the natural oil for my scalp, I'll use a couple of drops and massage it through my hair, and I love to use this oil to help me grow my hair out and keep it healthy. So this is my hair length. I realized in my previous silk press videos I wasn't really showing y'all exactly where my hair fell. So I was like, in this video I think I'm gonna do that. So my current length is like right above my boob area in the front, and then in the back you'll see that I'm like right above bra strap length. I cut my hair a lot, y'all. Like I get trims a lot. So right after this video I actually did a trim. So it may seem like I'm kind of like stuck at the same length, but you know, in a natural hair journey, you do have setbacks. Like I used a protein treatment that messed up my ends, so I had to grow that back out. But now since my ends are nice and full, I can continue with growing it out and seeing how it goes from here. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next one.